The question that I want to address on this video, as you can see from the title, it's how much did I pay for this car? How much did I pay for 40,000 mile Terminator, you know, clean title? Hello guys, how you guys doing? Welcome back to the channel. So first of all, first things first, I want to wish you all guys to be safe and during this coronavirus thing. I know it's tough guys, and sometimes it's hard to stay home, but I just wish that all of you guys, you know, are staying safe. And yeah, so let's get into today's video. Well, just want to say that I'm giving you a little preview of a POV cam. It's coming out soon on the Terminator. And yeah, so first of all, happy Sunday before anything. And as you can see, the streets are kind of empty. And let me bring out my window a little bit. Just because there's not a lot of people, plus it's kind of early. I believe it's like 8:20 a.m., 8:25. I want to talk a little bit to you guys about this car and, you know, some questions that I've been getting on the car and things of that nature. First of all, I'm totally in love with this car. Totally. This is my favorite car since I was a teenager, and yeah, I love this car. This is my dream car. And yeah, so much fun to always hear a little bit of that supercharger whine. I had the car for 3 weeks already, so had it for 3 weeks, and I don't daily this car, so this is a weekend car, and I love the fact that it's a weekend car because I get to preserve it. It only has 40,000 miles, 40,686 miles, and it drives by far the nicest newish that I ever had on my life. That's a Lamborghini. Man, he gun it. So far news. If you don't follow me on my Instagram is the MG channel _ the MG, and there I post pictures of this car. And last week, this car got featured on the page Cobra's Only, which at the time I believe it had 143,000 followers. And yeah, this car was featured there with the picture that I'm gonna put up on the screen for you guys to see. And yeah, that was awesome. That was really cool. Also, the page is really growing. You know, it's fun, and to see the page. Also, we almost have 400 follows, so 400 subs here on YouTube, which is really incredible. I mean, so far you guys have loved this car, and it really means a lot to me that you guys support this car, and you guys have liked it so much. You know, I mean, I kind of knew that you guys were gonna like it, but I mean, there's a lot of people that really care about 2-valve Mustangs, you know, and but overall the support that I got from this car is just amazing. This car sounds so good, so good. Question that I want to address on this video, as you can see from the title, it's how much did I pay for this car? How much did I pay for 40,000 mile Terminator, you know, clean title? The answer is I paid $22,500 for this car. Now, did I overpay for this car? I don't think so. I actually think that I got a pretty fair deal. I mean, I didn't get a steal like, you know, like some people, like for example, Mustang Lifestyle, I believe he said he paid for his 17.5 for it. But, and his car has like 20,000 miles. I thought that the price that I paid for this car, this color, this interior, this conditions of this car was more than fair, you know. And 22.5 is not cheap, but it's not. I thought this car for this type of mileage and this type of conditions will definitely go a little bit higher than for 22.5. Yes, it's not the cheapest thing on the world, but to me it's worth every penny of it, just because of what it is, how rare it is, and how exclusive you feel driving this car, and especially with the conditions of this particular car. So am I happy for it? Hell yeah. I mean, could I have bought a different car? Yeah. Would I have been happy with that choice? I don't think so. I really love the Terminator Cobra. This is my favorite car, and these cars, like I said on videos before, these cars are only gonna appreciate from this point on. I don't think that we're gonna see, at least, you know, like lower mileage cars. I don't think you're gonna be able to 5 years from now find it for low 20s. They're gonna be like high 30s, or for the low 20s, you're gonna have to buy high mileage. So, and I love every second of it, owning this car. You know, I just, sometimes I caught myself just thinking, do I really own a Terminator Cobra? Like, is this real? And the answer is yes. I mean, it just blows my mind still to this day. I mean, I know it's only been 3 weeks, but I mean, I've enjoyed the miles that I put on this car so far so much. So much. It's just a great car, and this is the great thing about this car. I could just put music on it and just enjoy it the way it is. You know, I haven't dynoed this car. Everything is being so crazy with this coronavirus. I haven't dynoed this car. However, I do plan to take it to a dyno, and the reason why you don't see me beating on the car non-stop is because I haven't revised the tune of this thing. You know, I need to know if the car is running lean. I need to know if the car is running rich. I need to know the tune of the car. So I mean, well, I had a little bit of fun with the car. I haven't taken it to an extreme just because I don't know the conditions of this car. Yeah, this car is 40,000 miles, but it's on the forced induction, you know, and this cars, if they run lean, you run the risk of melting a piston, which is not cheap at all. I don't want to damage my new Terminator engine, and so these are things that I got to take into consideration before I take the car racing, before I take it for the mile. But like I said, everything has been so slow with this car, because I mean, it hasn't been slow. What I mean is that can't really do much about with this car, just because things been crazy with this coronavirus. You catch people. It's funny because the people that don't know about this car, they'll look at it and they'll be like, oh yeah, just another Mustang. But the people that really do know this cars, they'll look at it and they'll be like, damn, that's a Terminator. I knew every time I will see one on the streets, I'll be like, wow. That's, I mean, it's unbelievable. And, you know, I gotta drive a little bit for you guys.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
So So guys, my battery died on my GoPro, so we're gonna pick it up and we're gonna finish up the vlog with my phone. And yeah, so like I was saying, I really do love this car, and it's an amazing car, and I've enjoyed the ownership of this car so much. And well, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. I'll be making a lot more content with the Terminator Cobra. And yeah, just want to say thank you for believing on the vision of the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.